second layer ng beachfront. And then provide for them a housing system na hindi lang pabahay. A housing system na may livelihood component. Bawat bahay na ibibigay namin, may revenue generating factor. So para sa aming bed and breakfast model, duplex po yun. And each family will have one room to be able to have a guest or a backpacker stay in their bed and breakfast. O di ba may revenue na yung bahay? Hindi lang siya bahay na titirhan ng pamilya, it earns money pa. Ngayon, at saka hospitable naman po tayo mga Pilipino, so madali lang pong i-training yung mga pamilya na maging accepting sa mga guests and welcoming. And with this, we will be building 100 homes for our first project. 60 of that will be the bed and breakfast. 40 will be the shop house model. Yun po yung nasa far right na photo. Yung shop house, yan yung idea na bawat bahay ay may tindahan. Kung gusto mong magka-barbershop, kung gusto mong mag-laundry service, mag-vulcanizing shop, mag-sari-sari store, mag-massage service, or even mag-manghuhula service. Kahit tuturuan namin yung mga residente namin na maging entrepreneurs. Because at the end of the day, if you look at our main problem, which is yung industry ng illegal fishing, and it is hurting our environment, hindi naman nila titigilan yung paggagawa ng illegal na methods kung wala silang alternative na mas maganda. Kung wala silang alternative na magbibigay sa kanila ng income. So ito pong isang project. Another assessment that the CCC showed us was the Coastal Resource Assessment. And in San Vicente, sad to say, we have sharks finning. And ano ba talaga yung solution? And I said kanina, it's alternative livelihoods. Being able to provide for our residents a solution to these problems. Next slide. So ito po yung mga ginagawa namin. Meron kaming mga tourism services training, construction work training, test the training programs. Nagtuturo din po kami ng sustainable farming, livelihood through music, and mechanic training. And then, meron po kaming short courses sa aming college na binibigay po namin sa mga residents na gusto lang matuto ng mga skills training. Ginagawa po namin yan kasi kailangan naman talaga bigyan sila ng mechanism to be able to have the capacity for these new jobs. And lastly, itong Coastal Resource Assessment. Nakita po niyo yung picture sa left, yan po yung cesspool. Ngayon, pagka tourist destination ka, that's very common to see that their sewage and their waste goes there. Sa Boracay po, ganyan din yung mga nangyayari sa establishments na hindi nila na-correct. Pinayagan lang nila na yan ang gawin. So, ano po yung solusyon? Talagang kailangan, from the LGU pa lang, sa amin po, kami yung nag-e-enforce. Kami yung nagko-correct sa mga maling ginagawa. And with the right planning, with the right guidance, kaya naman po yung prevention para we don't end up overdeveloping and hurting the environment. Next slide. So, bakit po ito importante? Talagang I'm pretty sure that all the presentations today talk to you about how important this is. You know, climate change affects all of us. It really does. Yung nangyari po ngayon sa ating bagyo, the devastation, nakita nyo naman po, although sa Manila, hindi po natin naramdaman yung extremes nung bagyo, but talagang you see the news, you see the photos. Ako po nanggaling na po ako ng Coron and Busuanga and Colyon. I've been there for about a few days. And talagang grabe yung itsura ng town. Lahat po ng puno ay bagsak. They don't have any power right now. Power is going to be generated maybe in another 2 weeks pa. So talagang kawawa. And we have to think of measures and adaptations on how to address climate change. Next slide. These are just samples of photos sa San Vicente. Yan po ang itsura kapag kami ay natamaan ng typhoon at heavy rain. And it really dampers our local economy. Kung ano man yung mga kailangan namin gawin sa mga transportation, and whatnot, you see the effects eh. So we need to be prepared for these disasters. We need to be prepared for climate change. I leave you with a quote that Mahatma Gandhi is very well known for saying, "We need to be the change we wish to see in the world." Kayo po ngayon, lahat po kayo mga bata pang students. I'm only 26, so you know, we're still both in the youth. We're all still both in the youth demographic. But to be able to do this, kailangan kayo magsa-start, kayo mag-i-initiate, and kayo talaga yung gagawa. And if you don't start, who else will? Next slide. So thank you for everybody for listening to my presentation. I hope naman na-enlighten kayo ng konti kung ano po yung ginagawa namin on a local level sa LGU. Before ko gawin yung ating question and answer para sa contest, meron po ba kayong mga tanong? Are we accepting questions? No. Later na. Okay. After na. Okay, with Bianca. Okay, so just my question. Ito na, para sa all-expense paid trip to Palawan. Nakikinig na kayo. Paano natin pipiliin yung sasagot? Paunahan, balugi yung sa likod. Sag hindi ako, I'll be here. Sila. I will just ask the question.
Here? There. Here.
Okay, so when I ask the question, paunahan to go to Jules. Huwag niyo siyang saktan, ha? Ayaw natin ng violence.
Game.
Okay. Paano yan? Paano yung malalayo, lugi? Paano yan? Text? Text the answer? Text the answer to you? Anong text the answer? Paunahan mag-miss call. O sige. Okay yan ah. Ewan ko sila nagsabi, paunahan. Paano kung walang load? Diba? Paunahan mag-miss call. O sige, eto na lang. May Twitter ba kayo? Ayan. Kailangan may Twitter. Kung walang Twitter, I'm sorry. Okay, for those who have Twitter, ako din may Twitter, i-add nyo ako, @MayorPaiAlvarez. Add nyo po ako. Kasi kailangan yung answer, ipadala nyo sa akin, di ba? Ako yung pipili. Okay, hanapin, @MayorPaiAlvarez. Wala kayong Twitter? Ano daw? Walang Wi-Fi. Walang Wi-Fi, Secretary Siri.
Meron ng Wi-Fi.
Oh, ito na lang. We will get one person from this side and one person from this side. Sino yung mauna? I will ask the question when you're up on stage. Okay? So, Jules, ikaw na lang. Whoever can get to Jules, ha? I'll ask a question. Just come up to stage. Huwag kayo magdala ng kodigo. Just come up to stage. Ready? Jules, dito ka. Yan, dyan ka. Okay, sinong gustong sumagot nito, ha? Lapitan niyo lang si Jules and I will ask you the question and if it is the correct answer, you will be winning the trip to Palawan. When I say go, you just go to Jules. Ready? Jules, one from each side na lang. One from each side. Ready? Get set. Sandali lang, nauuna kayo eh. Grabe. Kung kanina nga, parang hindi kayo lively. Ngayon, ang gulo-gulo nyo. Ready? Jules, lipat ka. Ready, Get set. Only 2 people. Teka lang, atras kayo. Atras kayo.